Jacure claims self-defense in attempted murder case.
Teach them! Always make sure the message will reach them!
Reggae artist Jacure reportedly asserted that he acted in self-defense when he stabbed event promoter Nicardo Papa Blake in Amsterdam on the 1st of October last year. The singer, who appeared in court on Wednesday, allegedly stabbed the promoter because he threatened him. During the public hearing, which reportedly lasted 2 hours, Jacure said, "I was just trying to defend myself. Otherwise, a knife would have landed in my own stomach." Cure, whose given name is Sicature Alcock, will have to spend another 55 days in remand as he awaits a substantive hearing, which is scheduled to take place on March 8. He is accused of attempted murder, along with a battery of other charges, after allegedly stabbing Blake, from whom the artist said he was awaiting payment for a performance he had done. The lawyer representing the entertainer said the stabbing incident was not captured on camera, so they have to make do with witness statements. The lawyer also told the court that on the day of the incident, Jacure was standing with his back against a monument when he saw the concert promoter reach for his jacket with his right hand. "My client has indicated several times that the man should keep his distance," the lawyer said. "He was scared and struck out in self-defense. There was immediate danger. He could not move. Running away was also not an option, because then he would have had a knife in his back," the lawyer said. No press officer for the prosecution said the prosecutor announced during the hearing that the investigation into the stabbing by the suspect is in its final phase. He said that the prosecutor asserted in court that there is not enough evidence to determine whether the suspect can successfully claim self-defense. The prosecutor is awaiting the results of the digital investigation into the suspect's phone, as well as pertinent information from Jamaican authorities regarding the singer's prior convictions and his criminal records.
Teach them! Hey, yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's teach them. Right here, Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Like the video before you go. Please subscribe if you haven't done so. And remember to share the video with your friends and family. And browse the channel for more quality content. Until next time, walk good, my friends.
Teach them!